Okay, here we go. So open up the Worldpacker app, and then you're gonna write your destination on top, and it's gonna send you to a bunch of places where you can apply. You're gonna pick the one that call your attention, and then you're gonna see all the picture because that will be your new environment. So you're gonna check all that the hosts have to offer, and my most important part to check is how many hours they are required, what is the job that they are requiring me to do, how many days off I'm gonna have, and check all the other benefits that they offer. Are they offering food? Are they gonna pick me up? Are they offering free events? Those kind of things. And then you can go and check all the reviews. You can have like a summarizing of the highlight of the place, and then you have all the people that had been doing feedback, and also you can ask a particular question to somebody that already lived the experience, so you can have a better idea from another Worldpacker as you that already did that experience. That's the beauty and the magic of the community. So I totally recommend to ask a bunch of questions before you go and start your new adventure. Make sure you check everything. Also, you can have an idea of the location. You might not have the complete address until you apply and you get approved, but you can have an idea where you're gonna be. Make sure to check everything all over again, and then you're gonna go and choose your dates if you're sure that's a place you wanna go. This place is for 2 weeks at least, so you gotta pick 2 weeks at least. And then they're gonna ask you questions. Of course, they want to know you. So do your best here. Show yourself. Be outstanding. Do not write the same thing for all the different places that you apply. Show your personality. That's the first contact that you will have with them. And then this is how it's kind of gonna look after you talk to the person and then they approve your hour. So make sure to ask all the questions, and voila, this is how it looks once that you will get approved. So now make sure to have fun and enjoy your trip.